Hey, I'm here to show you one of the most unknown things that you can do with your Android Samsung Galaxy phone. And it's one of the coolest features, and it's one of the most useful features that you could ever possibly have. So first, we're going to start off by hitting these three little vertical bars in the bottom left corner of your phone. So then we're going to click and hold and move our finger up to the center, and it says drop here for pop-up view. So there is our first trick. Then we're going to do the same thing with this window. And now you can actually view two screens at the same time. It's a multi-window technique, and it's one of the greatest hacks that you can use for your Samsung Galaxy. You can even scroll and buy this book on Amazon if you want. This book is actually a good book for customer meetings, taking notes. It'll actually help you close the deal. But if you are bored, you can also surf the web and surf the news. One of the best things that you can do is you can have two messenger apps open at the same time. And if you're talking to mom and dad on one and your brother on the other, you can have both conversations going at the same time and interact. So like and subscribe for more tips, and I challenge you to tell me if you knew this already. So go ahead and in the comment section, tell me if you already knew this. And also, I put many other videos in my channel for just quick and easy tips and things that you may not know. So thank you all, and I always appreciate you watching the complete video.